Welcome to the Digit Product Calculator from MathCelebrity.com. In the next 2 or 3 minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to find the digit product of any number in a split second. And the calculator I'm about to show you, I will link to in the video description. So with that said, let's get started. Suppose you want to find the digit product of a number. We'll say digit product of 286. So we go ahead and run this. And as you can see, we've got the calculator here. So I'll just break this down real quick. First, we walk through the definition of a digit product, and that's really just multiplying all the digits of a number together. Next, we're going to see, okay, we got to multiply 3 digits in the number 286. It breaks down the digit multiplication. And then finally, it gives you the product. So this is incredibly simple and incredibly easy to navigate this calculator. Let's take one more number as an example. We'll go a little higher now. We'll say digit product of 1257. Hit return. And as you could see, we've got our calculator running our new number, this time 1257. We've got the definition, the digits, the multiplication breakout, and finally the answer. So that is it, my friends. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you liked what you saw in this video and you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.